How to fix Undertale for Mac not uninstalling issue. Traditional uninstall method. To uninstall Undertale on a Mac, you don't need a specific code. Here are the steps to uninstall Undertale. Open Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Undertale app in the Applications folder. Drag the Undertale app to the trash or right-click on the app and select Move to Trash. If prompted, enter your administrator password to confirm the action. Empty the trash to complete the uninstallation process. After completing these steps, Undertale will be uninstalled from your Mac. However, you can use the following command in Terminal to remove Undertale from your Mac. Open Terminal on your Mac. You can find it in the Applications/Utilities folder, or you can use Spotlight Search to locate it. In Terminal, type the following command and press Enter, sudo rmrf/application/undertale.app. When prompted, enter your administrator password. Press Enter again to execute the command. This command will delete the Undertale application from your Applications folder. Please note that this command is irreversible, so make sure you have selected the correct application before running it.